This is the skills practice for section 12.6. We're going to look at spheres. We're going to find the surface area and the volume of each sphere, round to the nearest hundredth. Before we do that, let's make sure we understand what a sphere is. A sphere isn't a circle, it's a ball. So you can think of it like a basketball, perhaps. If you want the surface area of a basketball, it's how much leather you need to cover it. If you want the volume of a sphere, that would be how much air is in the basketball. Now, notice in all of these spheres, they only give you one dimension. They either give you radius or they give you diameter. And the radius is the dimension that you need to find both surface area and volume. So just find the radius of your sphere. You don't have to calculate it. It's just there. Plug it into your formula, use your calculator, and you get an answer. Really, really simple. So let's do this first one here. We want the surface area of this basketball, let's say. 4 pi r squared. The radius is 9. So I plug that in there, and I'm just going to type this into my calculator. 4 pi 9 squared. And this gives me 1017.88. And it's going to be square meters because this is how much leather I need to cover the basketball. Now, let's fill this basketball up with air. We're going to do 4/3 pi r cubed for the volume. My radius is 9. Use alpha x, 4 on top, 3 on the bottom for your 4/3. I'm going to type in pi. I'm going to take 9 and I'm going to cube it. You can go to the math option on your calculator, hit that math button. The third option down is cubing a number, but you can also hit that same button that you use for pi. It's the caret button. You could just raise it to the third power. Okay, our volume is 3053.63 cubic meters. None of these are different. This is how every single sphere is going to look. You're going to find its surface area and its volume. We'll do one more. I'll pick one. No, I guess I'll just pick like number 12, for example. Notice how they give you the diameter. See how that segment goes the whole way through. The center touches 2 points on that sphere. So your radius is 200. Let's pretend this is, I don't know, maybe it's just a rubber ball, like a dodgeball maybe. We want the surface area. How much rubber do you need to make this ball? It's going to give you a big number because the radius is a big number. So don't be alarmed when you get big numbers here. 4 pi 200 squared. Yeah, holy moly. 502,654.82 square meters. Let's find the volume now. We're going to pump up this rubber ball with air. 4/3 pi r cubed. Now, you should be expecting another big number here because 4/3 is bigger than 1. Pi is bigger than 3. My radius is 200 and I'm cubing it. Okay, so don't be alarmed here. I'm going to do alpha x, 4 on top, 3 on the bottom, times pi times 200 cubed. Yeah, this is a big one. Looks like 33 million. 510,321.64 cubic meters because I'm filling it with air. That's how you find volume and surface area of spheres.